In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF files on Google Sites fast and easy. This beginner-friendly tutorial will guide you step by step to ensure you can seamlessly integrate your PDFs into your Google site. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Sites. If you're not already familiar with Google Sites, you can easily find it by searching Google Sites on your preferred search engine. Once on the homepage, click on Google Sites to proceed. If you're already signed into your Google account, you should see a list of sites you've created. If not, go ahead and sign in to access your Google Sites dashboard. Now select the site you want to work with by clicking on it. You'll be directed to the editing interface where you can start adding and managing content. This is the space where you'll customize and build your site's appearance and functionality. Once on the site editing page, direct your attention to the right-hand panel and locate the Insert option. Click on it. This panel is your go-to section for adding new elements to your site, ranging from text boxes to images, and today's focus, PDFs. Within the Insert menu, scroll down until you find the Drive option. Click on Drive to open a menu that allows you to access files stored in your Google Drive account. If this is your first time interacting with Google Drive from your site, you may need to authorize the connection, which involves following the on-screen prompts. Now locate the specific PDF file in your Google Drive that you wish to add to your site. You can browse through your folders or use the search function at the top to find the file more efficiently. Once you've found your desired PDF, click on it to select it. With your PDF selected, you'll notice the Insert button at the bottom of the Drive window. Click this button to add the PDF to your site. Once inserted, the PDF will appear as a distinct element on the page. You can drag it to reposition or resize it to fit your design needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added a PDF file to your Google site. You can now continue to customize your site or publish the changes so your audience can benefit from the newly integrated PDF. If you ever need to make adjustments or add more PDFs, simply revisit these steps. Remember, being organized with your Google Drive will make this process even quicker and more efficient in the future. Thanks for following this tutorial on adding PDF files to Google Sites. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy site building, and I'll see you in the next video.